the opposition going too far when it comes to quote-unquote an allegation by the BJP, it's appeasement politics, from objecting to our national song Vande Mataram to glorifying Tipu Sultan? One such incident from Maharashtra's Malegaon has made one thinking about the same. Now, it all started, remember, with a portrait of Tipu Sultan on a wall of a Congress ally and also a newly appointed mayor of Malegaon. And that portrait, once it created a furor, it did not die down. Remember, Malegaon deputy mayor also referred to Tipu Sultan, quote-unquote, as a freedom fighter. Wading into the controversy, it was later the Congress's state president who basically likened, believe it or not, Tipu Sultan and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. That led to a massive furor. He claimed and said that both embodied the ideals of bravery, freedom, and must be treated equally. A statement strongly condemned by the chief minister of the state and also the BJP.
जो कॉर्पोरेटर्स थे उन्होंने मुझे ये सब फ्रेम भेंट दिया और उन्होंने ये लगा दिया, और वो लगाने पर मुझको कुछ एतराज़ नहीं है, क्योंकि टीपू सुल्तान जो हैं वो हिंदुस्तान के फ्रीडम फाइटर है, ये सब ने माना है। यहाँ तक कि उनकी तारीफ सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान ने नहीं, ब्रिटेन ने भी की है, जिस वक्त वो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी से लड़ा करते थे।
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचं शौर्य ज्या पद्धतीचं आहे आणि एक स्वराज्य नावाचा त्यांनी जो ज्या पद्धतीने एक विचार दिला आहे, अगदी त्यांच्याच मांडेआळीमध्ये त्यांच्यानंतर त्यांच्या बऱ्याच कालावधी लोटल्यानंतर त्यांचा आदर्श घेऊन टिपू सुलतान यांनी इंग्रजांच्या विरोधात कुठेतरी लढा पुकारला होता. आणि त्या अर्थानं टिपू सुलतान हे एक शौर्य गाजवणारे एक योद्धे होऊन गेले, एक भारताचे भूमिपुत्र होऊन गेले. त्यांनी कधीही कुठल्याही विखारी विचारांना त्यांनी जवळ केलं नाही. तर एक शौर्याचं लक्षण म्हणून टिपू सुल्तानांना आपण शिवाजी महाराजांच्या समकक्ष बघितलं पाहिजे.
हजारों हिंदुओं को कत्ल करने वाला टिपू सुल्तान, वो और महाराज, इनको एक समान आदर दिया जाए, इस प्रकार की बात अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है तो वोटों के लालच में ये कितने भी जूते चाटे, महाराष्ट्र और देश इसको सहन नहीं करेगा, हम इसको सहन नहीं करेंगे।
वोट बैंक की राजनीति में कांग्रेस पार्टी कितना गिरेगी, मैं जानना चाहता हूं उद्धव ठाकरे जी से, मैं जानना चाहता हूं उनके जो एलआई पार्टनर एनसीपी शरद पवार जी से, कि क्या इस प्रकार की तुलना की जा सकती है एक हत्यारे, एक हिंदू विरोधी के साथ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की तुलना? क्या ये संभव है? इसके लिए कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए महाराष्ट्र के कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष पर।
And we have breaking news coming in, viewers. Amidst this entire controversy, the Congress president, believe it or not, of the state when it comes to Maharashtra is remaining defiant. Now, after Sapkal, he likened Tipu Sultan and Shivaji Maharaj. Now he states that the statement is being misinterpreted. This is the Congress's leader. He is hit back at the BJP and claimed that it's a mischief by the BJP. We did make you listen to that entire excerpt, but right now, the Congress's Maharashtra chief basically saying, and I quote him verbatim, those who are creating controversy over my statement should understand this clearly, that I don't need to learn about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj from you. I say this with utmost humility and self-respect.
मुळात जो तथाकथित वाद जो निर्माण झालेला आहे आणि याला माझ्या वक्तव्याच्या अनुषंगानं जी भाजप गरळ ओकते आहे त्यांना मला स्पष्ट शब्दामध्ये शिवाजी महाराज आपल्याकडून शिकण्याची आवश्यकता नाही हे या ठिकाणी मी अत्यंत विनम्रतेने आणि तेवढ्याच स्वाभिमानाने या ठिकाणी सांगू इच्छितो. हिंदवी स्वराज्याचे संस्थापक छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज ही महाराष्ट्राची आमची काँग्रेसची आणबाण शान आहे. त्यांचा पराक्रम अद्वितीय आहे आणि त्यांच्या पराक्रमाच्या अनुषंगानं हिंदवी स्वराज्य निर्माण झाले आणि त्या स्वराज्याची प्रेरणा थेट स्वरूपामध्ये आपल्या संविधानापर्यंत आहे. काल पत्रकारांनी मला प्रश्न विचारत असताना विचारले की महामानवांचे आणि विशेष करून शिवाजी महाराज आणि टिपू सुलतान यांचे जे छायाचित्र आहे, प्रतिमा ज्या आहेत, ह्या कार्यालयामध्ये लावण्यात याव्यात अशी मागणी होत आहे. याकडे आपण कसे बघता? या प्रश्नाच्या उत्तरादाखल माझं जे उत्तर होतं ते हे होतं की शिवाजी महाराजांनी जो स्वराज्याचा विचार दिला त्याचाच आदर्श हा टिपू सुलतानने घेतला आणि टिपू सुलताननी तो आदर्श घेऊन इंग्रजांच्या विरोधात ते लढले आणि त्या अनुषंगाने या प्रतिमा ज्या आहेत ह्या सोबत लागण्याच्या अनुषंगानं समकक्षतेच्या अनुषंगानं माझं हे वक्तव्य केलेलं आहे. मी शिवाजी महाराजांचा जो पराक्रम आहे तो अद्वितीय आहे हे यापूर्वीच सांगितलेलं आहे आणि या माझ्या प्रश्नाला दाबून कुठेतरी जे वक्तव्य चालवण्यात येत आहे हे भारतीय जनता पक्षाचा हा खोड.
All right, my colleague Rucha is joining us live on the broadcast. So, Rucha, right now the Congress's Maharashtra chief may say that his statements have been misinterpreted, but it's obvious that trouble's brewing for him, isn't it, considering that an FIR has already been filed in this particular case over the statements which he had made?
Well, correct. In Pune's Parvati police station, an FIR is filed against Harshavardhan Sapkar, who is the state chief of Congress party. And Sapkar, while talking about his comment, has said that his his statement is misinterpreted and it is twisted by the journalist, and he is saying that he was questioned in a way that all the Mahamanavs, including Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's photograph, should be displayed in the offices of the mayors or municipal corporation. And answering that, he has mentioned that yes, Tipu Sultan also followed the thoughts, also followed the path that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has shown of creating a Hinduvi, a Swarajya, own kingdom, is what he said. He was trying to say, but his comment was misinterpreted and was twisted by Bharatiya Janata Party, is what he is now saying. Additionally, he also pointed out that Bharatiya Janata Party had used Tipu Sultan's photograph in the party's manifesto for the recently held municipal corporation elections, and he also alleged that Tipu Sultan's photograph was conveniently used in some of the areas, including areas like Malegaon. Tipu Sultan's photograph was there on the Bharatiya Janata Party's banners, and he also alleged that the Bharatiya Janata Party conveniently likes and dislikes Tipu Sultan whenever they feel like, and he also said that I completely respect Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and what he did, and he only tried to compare the both because the question was asked in a way. But even if he said that it was not his intention, but it is clearly a comparison.
It's been misinterpreted, but yes, there is a big political controversy which is brewing over these remarks. So just stay with us, because viewers, it doesn't stop with one Congress leader. We have another big breaking news which is coming in at the moment. It is another Congress leader, Udit Raj, after the Maharashtra Congress president, who seems to be singing a very similar tune despite of the controversy over the statements on Tipu Sultan. It's the Congress's Maharashtra president and now Congress's Udit Raj who seems to be praising Tipu Sultan. He is called Tipu, quote-unquote, a reformer. Udit Raj says, and I quote him verbatim, Tipu did a great job. These remarks by Udit Raj are only likely to escalate this controversy. Listen in to what he had to say.
Maharaj, he has even been booked for making these kinds of remarks.
Tipu Sultan has done great job. He was a reformer. That's why they have hatred. He liberated Dalit women because it's not their ancestor who suffered. My ancestor suffered. OBC's ancestors have suffered. The Dalit women were not allowed to cover their breast. And Tipu Sultan said, no, this bad custom must be done away with. And he was a reformer. Will they say something about it, that this act was done by Tipu Sultan? For that they are hating him?
Sir, one last question I would like to ask.
So this is a shocking statement just come from the side of Mr. Udit Raj. We heard what the other Congress leader had to say over Tipu Sultan after you had that Shivaji comparison. Later sort of clarification coming into the fore. Looks like another Cong Neta has joined this list to praise Tipu. BJP has been hitting out at these comments, saying that they show nothing but, quote-unquote, as the BJP claims and alleges, the appeasement politics of Team India. So that's the latest which is happening far as Tipu Sultan is concerned. We heard what Udit Raj had to say. Another Cong Neta seems to be praising Tipu Sultan, calling Tipu Sultan, as we heard him, a reformer, saying that he did a great job. And not only that, Udit Raj didn't stop there, viewers. He went on to praise Tipu, who he says was a big reformer. So that is the big statement which has come from the side of Udit Raj. And it's not just Udit Raj, viewers. It is also AIMIM's Asaduddin Owaisi. Believe it or not, viewers, he is also now jumped into this entire controversy, and he has somehow invoked a Veer Savarkar parallel. He has called and attacked Veer Savarkar. This is basically AIMIM chief and also an MP, as we know, Asaduddin Owaisi, who said, and I'm quoting him verbatim once again, Tipu Sultan was a martyr. He fought the British. He goes on to say Tipu did not write love letters to the British as Veer Savarkar did, claiming and saying that Savarkar was begging for forgiveness. Now, that's a statement which, as one would expect, has riled up the BJP, and there's a big political slugfest which has also emerged on the same. So that's exactly what Owaisi had to say. And, you know, viewers, we were telling you about the entire controversy. We heard the reactions of the Congress leader, but looks like it's just the tip of the iceberg, because it is Asaduddin Owaisi. Who is Asaduddin Owaisi? Obviously, AIMIM chief, who has now jumped in the controversy, has invoked Veer Savarkar, has drawn a strange sort of parallel. He's basically, Asaduddin Owaisi has basically said that Tipu Sultan was a martyr. He fought the British. He did not write, as he claims, love letters to the Britishers, saying that Savarkar begged for forgiveness. Shocking statement from Owaisi. Listen in.
1999 में टीपू सुल्तान की शहादत हुई, अंग्रेजों से लड़कर टीपू की शहादत हुई, जेल में बैठकर टीपू तुम्हारे वीर की तरह 6-6 लव लेटर नहीं लिखा अंग्रेजों को मैं माफ कर दो, तुम जो बोले मैं करता हूं। टीपू तलवार लेकर अपने मुल्क को अंग्रेजों से आजाद कराने के लिए शहीद हो गया, और अंग्रेजों को टीपू से इतना डर था कि 1.5 घंटे तक टीपू की लाश पड़ी रही। अंग्रेजों की फौज के घेरे में टीपू की लाश है, मगर डर रहे थे कि अगर शेर उड़ गया तो क्या होगा।
Okay, Niyamika is live with us on the broadcast. Niyamika, this statement by Asaduddin Owaisi, where he has invoked Savarkar and praised Tipu, that's obviously expected to rile up the BJP. Take us through the political fallout of this statement.
Well, we have seen that how the politics has erupted over the statement which has been given by the Maharashtra Congress leader Harshvardhan Sakpal, in which the way in which he has mentioned about Tipu Sultan and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Now support is coming in on the part of Asaduddin Owaisi, who has stated that how it was Tipu Sultan who had fought against the Britishers. He even said that Tipu Sultan got martyred when he was having a fight against the Britishers. In fact, he has also given a new angle to this entire controversy. He basically stated that Tipu Sultan on one side has fought the Britishers, while on the other side it was Savarkar who had begged for mercy. That is the kind of statement which is being made by the MIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi.
I'm interrupting you here. I'll come back to you. We have Mr. Anand Dubey, who's joined us on the phone line. Afternoon, sir. Thank you for joining us on Times Now. Sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? जो कमेंट्री आई है असादुद्दीन ओवैसी की तरफ से, जहां उन्होंने टीपू सुल्तान को इन वे एक मार्टर बोला है और बोला है कि वो ब्रिटिशर्स के अगेंस्ट लड़ते थे, एंड वीर सावरकर को भी इस कंट्रोवर्सी में ड्रैग किया है। आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे उन स्टेटमेंट्स के बारे में?
देखिए, वीर सावरकर जी राष्ट्र नायक हैं, वो उनके नाम के आगे ही वीर है। 2 बार आजीवन उनको कारावास की सजा मिली, फिर भी वो उनका इरादा कभी कमजोर नहीं हुआ। वो निरंतर अंग्रेजों से लड़ते रहे और उन्होंने इस देश के हिंदुओं के लिए बहुत कुछ किया है, इस राष्ट्र के लिए बहुत कुछ किया है। तो उनकी तुलना करना टीपू सुल्तान से हम उचित नहीं मानते हैं। टीपू सुल्तान मैसूर के एक राजा थे, वो भी मैसूर जिले के एक नायक हो सकते हैं, हो सकता है उनको बहुत लोग मानते हों, लेकिन ये कहना कि वो महान थे और वो महान नहीं थे, ये दोनों के बीच में भेद मत करिए। दोनों महान थे, अगर ये भी कहोगे तो भी ठीक है, लेकिन एक महान थे और एक माफी वीर थे, ये कहना उचित नहीं है। टीपू सुल्तान के जीवन में, इतिहास में बहुत सारे विवाद है, अभी तक वो विवाद सुलझे नहीं है, इतिहासकार उस पर अभी चर्चा करते हैं।
अगर हम सिर्फ टीपू सुल्तान की बात करें, क्योंकि आप इट्स नॉट जस्ट असादुद्दीन ओवैसी, अगर आप देखें तो कांग्रेस के भी लीडर्स हैं, महाराष्ट्र कांग्रेस के चीफ हैं, जो टीपू सुल्तान को प्रेज कर रहे हैं, शिवाजी महाराज से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं। हमने अभी सुना कांग्रेस के उदित राज का कहना चाहेंगे, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो ऑपोजिशन के लीडर्स हैं जो टीपू सुल्तान की इतनी तारीफें कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में?
छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और टीपू सुल्तान से कोई तुलना हो नहीं सकता। सूरज को दिया कभी चमकदार नहीं बना सकता, सूरज स्वयं चमकदार होता है। तो हमारे जो महापुरुष हैं छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, इनकी तुलना टीपू सुल्तान से कोई न करे, क्योंकि टीपू सुल्तान एक जिले के या एक कस्बे के शासक रहे होंगे, राजा रहे होंगे, या जो भी मुगल के शब्दों में जो भी कहें, लेकिन छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज तो राष्ट्र के नायक थे। हिंदवी स्वराज की स्थापना करोड़ों करोड़ों हिंदुओं की आस्था के प्रतीक हैं। तो हमारा सिर्फ ये कहना है कि असदुद्दीन ओवैसी और ये कांग्रेस पार्टी, इनको अगर लगता है कि टीपू सुल्तान उनके महानायक हैं, कोई बात नहीं, हम आपके महानायक के खिलाफ तो कुछ बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आप हमारे महानायक को छोटा मत बताइए। आप ये मत करिए कि चुनाव जीतने के बाद अपने महानगर पालिका के
these statements hurt sentiment, and FIR has already been filed in the case, and there are obviously fast-paced developments, viewers, coming in related to the same. Thank you, Mr. Dubey, for joining us on Times Now. Viewers, will be shifting our focus now to another